Yo guys, so we're at the Nurburgring. This is Sarah. I'm introducing her because everything we filmed yesterday totally disappeared. Yeah, yesterday we filmed the journey here and for some reason it hasn't saved on the memory card. So we've reformatted the memory card and hopefully it sorts everything out. But the so we got here yesterday about 4? 4, yeah. And then yeah, so then we swapped the wheels over on the Mazda. Onto the RX-8 wheels that Anton kindly found for me. There, yeah, we did. So yeah, we've swapped the wheels over, and then we took it for a quick lap last night, which we've got footage of. We'll show you that now. So we're here at the start line. We've just there's some really cool cars in the car park. I will get some footage in a bit, but the yeah, so something I didn't realise is on a weeknight it's actually cheaper, so it's like €5 cheaper per lap, which is quite a big chunk if you can do quite a lot of laps. Yeah, so
25 Monday to Thursday,
yeah,
30 Friday to Sunday.
Yeah, so it's yeah, big chunk cheaper on a weeknight. So it's actually open longer than I thought it was. So today it was open 3 till 8, and I think it's the same again tomorrow. So we're gonna go just do a quick lap now. Well, not a quick lap, probably quite a slow lap because I haven't been for 4 years. So we're gonna go do a lap. We might time it as well, just to see where we're at, and then we'll build up hopefully. But yeah, just take it nice and easy for our first one because I've not been for a while, and it's it has been raining a little bit, but yeah, we'll just take it nice and easy just to jog my memory, and then yeah, we'll catch up with you afterwards. bridge. Yeah. And then, so I did a 10-minute 2, was it? 10-minute 2, wasn't it? So we took it nice and easy, and my lines were all over the place because I'd totally forgot the track because I haven't done it for like 4 years. The brakes got really hot at one point and I kind of lost the brakes for a little bit. So today we're gonna go do summer luge this morning. We're gonna go try and find some brake fluid, change the brake fluid in the car, and I brought some spare brake pads because somebody gave me, I think it was Stephen Collins, gave me a really good idea that I should buy some brake pads at Euro Car Parts, and if I don't need them then I can always take them back when I get back. And we've got here, it turns out I do need them. And if I learned anything from last time, I've come in the Mazda 3 before, when it belonged to my friend Giles, and we got here and he didn't think to check his brakes and they were like down to metal by the time we got here, and he spent about a day driving around trying to find brake pads for it. So yeah, we're going to change the front brake pads and change the fluid, and hopefully that'll help, because at the moment I'm a bit wary about pushing it because I don't want the brakes to disappear. So we're going to go find some brake fluid now, and then we're going to go summer luge, come back, change the brakes, then go on track. So yeah, let's go. Right, Sarah, pipe shots. Let's show us your pipe. So we've just been to this place called, I might have to go a bit closer, it's called Kircher. It's actually saved me once before when I've been here. So it's like the only place that's open at the weekend. That it's like a hardware store, but they do sell loads of like tools and yeah, like car accessories and stuff in there, like oil, brake fluid. We did go to another garage to get brake fluid, but I didn't realise we could get it from here. But yeah, you can get fluid, oil. We've just been here to get some pipe so that we can bleed the brakes, because I didn't want to make a mess of the hotel car park. So and then we got like a little bottle, an actual proper brake
spritz flask.
Okay, it's a spritz flask. So yeah, we're all sorted. We're just going to go summer luge now, and then we're going to come back and sort the brakes out before we go back on track, because I don't want to die. So we're at yeah, we're at the summer luge. Sarah's behind me, I think, somewhere. It's super busy today as well because the weather's really nice, and yeah, obviously it's summer holidays and stuff, so there's loads of kids here. I'm hoping they'll give me a bit of a gap because I'm going to catch up to some people pretty quick. So basically the way it works is you just have this lever, pull it back to stop and push it forward. That takes the brakes off completely, and yeah, I don't plan on using it very much in the position that it's in now. We'll wait for them to go a little bit. Or not. Right, you ready?
Yeah.
Full send. Sarah's pussing out. go down without the brakes.
Huh?
You can go down without using the brakes.
Said do not go too fast.
I just went for it.
Thanks. I'll leave me out.
You want to go first? You want to swap places? Yeah. Right, no brakes, no brakes. No brakes. That's good, wasn't it? Hey, so yeah, we still haven't been on track. So we went and watched the cars for about an hour, and there was a crash. So we thought we'd go and queue up, basically ready to go on. And by the time we got there, it still hadn't opened, so we had to wait for a while. It opened, it was absolute chaos, and then we queued. So we eventually ended up queuing, and then got about 2 cars away from the gate, and then somebody else crashed and it got closed again. So it wasn't very successful, was it?
No, not today. It was a lot busier. Busiest you've ever seen.
Oh yeah, it was so busy. So we're hoping tomorrow, because it's a full day, that it won't be quite as busy all in one go, because it was only open for 3 hours today, and everyone was just like queued up like mad trying to get onto the track. So tomorrow, fingers crossed, we'll get another lap in. Like I said, we did 10 minutes 2 seconds, I think it was last time. So we've done the brakes today, new pads in the front, and changed the fluid, because there was a point where I got really bad brake fade and I slowed down because I wasn't sure if the brakes were going to totally disappear. So hopefully tomorrow we'll get on track and the brakes will be better, and because it's hard to tell until they get hot. So yeah, tomorrow we're going to get up nice and early and get a full day out of it, go up to the ring and get a lap in probably in the morning. Yeah. And then go watch some cars at the trackside, and then go to the ring works and have a look around the shops and stuff. Yeah. Yeah, so we'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.